Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about the newly launched MI Note 10 phone, which is also known as Mi CC9 Pro. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
And all I feel is blue.
So the Xiaomi has launched the global version of the Mi CC9 Pro, which is also known as the Mi Note 10 in Spain on 6 November 2019. So the phone comes with a 6.47-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. Xiaomi Mi Note 10 is powered by a 2.2 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G processor. It also comes with a 6 GB of RAM. The Xiaomi Mi Note 10 runs on Android 9 and is powered by a 5260 mAh non-removable battery. The Xiaomi Mi Note 10 supports high fast charging too. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 on the rear packs a 108 megapixel primary camera with an f/1.69 aperture, a second 20 megapixel camera, a third 12 megapixel camera, and a fourth 5th megapixel camera. The rear camera setup has an also autofocus. It sports a 32 megapixel camera on the front for selfies. The Xiaomi Mi Note 10 runs on the MIUI 11 based on Android 9 and packs 128 GB of inbuilt storage. The Xiaomi Mi Note 10 is a dual SIM smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. Connectivity options on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 include Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, infrared, USB Type-C, FM radio, 3G and 4G with active 4G on both SIM cards. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor and fingerprint sensor. The Xiaomi Mi Note also supports AI face unlock too. Alongside the Mi Note 10 Xiaomi, the Xiaomi also unveiled the Mi Note 10 Pro too. So the only difference is that the Mi Note 10 Pro packs 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. So the Mi Note 10 and the Mi Note 10 Pro come in only one variant. The Mi Note 10 with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage comes with a price tag of 549 euros, which roughly translates to Rs 43,200 INR. On the other hand, the Mi Note 10 Pro with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage comes with a price of 649 euro, roughly, which translates to Rs 51,000. So the Xiaomi launches the Mi Note 10 in the series in various colors including Glacier White, Aurora Green and Midnight Black. For now, there are no words from Xiaomi on the India launch of the Mi Note 10. Some rumors suggest that the Mi Note 10 may come to India December 25 or 2019 or maybe by the next year. So this much for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. And so I have finished with the Mi Note 10 leaks, and it has been also given on the Mi official website and its also YouTube channel and its videos. So I will give you the link. You can also go and watch their videos too. So till that, we will meet in our next video. Till that, bye bye.